What's up, YouTube? Today we are back at another Flood Escape video. Episode 16. Yep, episode 16. Look with my binoculars. Alright, we can just wait quick like this. Abracabate. Ta-da! Done. Okie dokie. Right? Yes, what? Ah, it's acid! It's acid! My only weakness. Don't worry, guys. Us forgot this. We are not laying down. Players. We'll see. I extend my gratitude for the Russell insurance. You mean surprisingly great rates. Alright. I don't believe in accepting help. I'll make an exception. Dude, what are you thinking? That wingman? Whatever. Angry Birds reference. No. Oh man, I'm never gonna make it. Yeah, now I'm escaping. Alright, fallen once again, my favorite. Wait, no, we need this. Okay, 10 players. Alright. Come on, I want to get this game started. And we just fell in lava. Alright, everyone. Let's do this. We can all beat Fallen, everyone. So let's do this. Some people's actually 8 foot away. Oh well. Alright, let's see if we can really beat it. Not failing this time. We are doing long jumps. We are gonna do long jumps. Yeah, I know. We're gonna get that Lambert. I'm gonna get that Guinea. Now, last plays a Mario Kart like this. Yeah. There we go. That's what I want. And now we just wait here. I might. Come on, mites. Thanks, mate. Come on, mate. You can make it. There you go, mate. Wait, where is it? There it is, mate. Come on, mate. We are not gonna fail. We are number one. What? Hey, how'd you do that? Never mind. Get it. Okay, he's behind me. Yeah. Yeah. You be falling, everyone. Alright, I guess I should turn off that aim lock since there's actually wall jumping in this level. Out of my way, everybody. I don't want you guys to distract me. Alrighty. Got there. Yeah. Oh, okay. Good, good, good. Oh, that guy just died. Oh well. At least he's in a, at least he's in a better place. Rest in peace, Mufasa. May God be with you. One by one. Yeah. Yeah, we survived. We survived. Oof. Oof is right. Oof is right. Now I'm going backwards. Because apparently that is stupid. Nah, okay. I'm for sure gonna win this one. We are gonna win. I'm gonna keep my heart racing. Alright. You guys better get it fast. Get it fast. Yeah, there you go. Oh man. We're gonna die! We're gonna die! This is the end! This is the end! Come on, come on, come on! Come on! Yes! Thank you! Ah! This is only for the true power of both of us! What? This world is big enough for both of us and one of us has to go? Well, I agree! Okay. Any second now. Okay. Shay! Okay, my turn acid any second now, so let's just make it early run. Alright. Haha. Haha. Okay, just jump down here, jump there. Alright, I think we're gonna win. 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 Alright. Ah! Ah! No, 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 no! Ah! Dang it, was too fast! Oh my gosh, I was right there! Right there! Oh my gosh. Alright guys, do not fail me on the next of that map. Understand? Cause we're skills right here. Got it? I'll go get this one. No, guys, I'll go get it. Can I have a brand? Fine, you can come. Never mind. Yeah. Are you sure you want to go get it, girl? Cause I think we're gonna. Come on. I guess we got another gunner. Rest in peace. Rest in peace, also. Alright. Wait, what? What just happened? I have no idea what just happened, but okay. Yes! Yes, our saver! Yes! Not gonna get it. You go get it, Rainbow Man. I'll name you Rainbow Man. Oh, thank you. You are a lifesaver. I. Whew. I can't get out. I can't even move. I can't move. Help! 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 Yep. Help! Super Mario World show reference. Super Mario World to the back. Come on, Mufasa. We gotta go. We gotta go. You gotta get out of here. Gotta get out of here. Yeah, we gotta get out of here. There you go. There you go. You got the controllers working. Yeah. You got the labor. You got the kitty. Alright. Now let's go. I already collected that map, so it doesn't matter.
Is this the same as this house?
Oh. Hey. Hey. No. Oh no. We're gonna die here. Okay, okay. You are a lifesaver. Okay. Oh, okay. Good.
The second person that passed
I don't get it. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Yeah, take that, lava. 10 out of 10. Alright, up it goes.
How is a river of blood a story of redemption?
Alright. One more level, guys, and I'll be done for today, everyone.
Instead of taking revenge, they would have been rewarded.
Who's gonna get it? Okay, good. Thank goodness I did not got myself wet today, everyone. Hear that, guys? Got lucky. Got lucky. Yeah, guys, I'm not gonna get wet. I go get it. Go get it. Alright. Yep, that's enough. And, oh no. No. That game distracted me. Ah, darn it. Ugh. Thanks a lot, game. What the? Please stop. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And I'll see you next time.